Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lynn. Happy Sunday. I hope you had a great one. Today I am doing my weekly update of our renovation of the house that we have on this property that we just recently bought. So I'm super excited about it. We're really getting to the finish line, and I'm going to be putting furniture in here by next week. So we'll have an update of next week with the furniture in it. But I want to show you the kitchen. It's not quite finished, but it's almost finished, and I'm going to take you back there in just a minute and let you see the kitchen. And we put down the countertops, which are hackberry and hackberry wood, so I'm super excited about that. The neat thing is we have hackberry trees here on the property. I'm going to do a quick recap and then I'm going to take you and show you the kitchen. But I'm Stacy Lynn. For all of you people that are joining me now, I'm giving you my weekly update. I'm going to go through our renovation, show you what we've been doing, and mainly just catch you up on the kitchen because that's really about all we've had time to do this weekend. I've been super busy doing videos. I've got some new cooking videos coming out, and every Monday I have a new cooking video coming out, and you are not going to want to miss them. I've got some great tailgating recipes. I've got some camping recipes. I've got some holiday recipes. One that is just irresistible that you just have to try, and I'm not going to tell you what it is. They're coming out every Monday. And right now I'm going to show you what a hackberry tree looks like. It's right outside the window here. We have them all over our property, and we made our countertops out of that very wood. So let me show you that. We're going to go over here, and I hope you can see right out the window. But right out here, these white looking trees are hackberry trees. And so they're so cool. And I want to show you what the wood looks like on the countertop. So I wanted to tell you one more time what I'm doing, taking you into my kitchen. I want you to see the updated version. And we've been renovating this house, and we are almost to the finish line, showing you what we've done this week. And this is what I do every Sunday. I do a live video showing you this. And so I'm Stacy Lynn, and you need to get notifications if you want to keep watching. I'm also going to add some furniture in here next week, and so I want you to see what transition takes place at that point. Here is my Green Goddess wall that I cannot wait to put my either shelving. I haven't decided that yet, either shelving or this really cool shelf that I saw that you can move on wheels. And anyway, I haven't decided which one yet, but that I'm going to do. But I am going to put shelving on this wall. Now, we just got this hood, and I plan on replacing this with a gas range around Christmas time, but I'm not sure right now. And this is the hackberry wood that I was telling you about. If you're new coming on to the live video, we're renovating the kitchen, renovating the whole place. We put up shiplap, we've repainted, we put up new molding, we've made columns, we've taken walls out, we've done all kinds of neat things. I got this really cool linoleum, which I don't really love linoleum, but I wanted it for here. We got that, and it's on my last week's video, so you can scroll down and see that video, and you can actually scroll down and see all the ones from the beginning all the way up to now if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing. So the hackberry countertops with these antique pulls. I have a light yellow on the cabinets, and then this really cool tile that I was excited to brighten up the place, and it's an antique tile, and I'm kind of going for kind of a cross between a Mediterranean, maybe a Mediterranean farmhouse. I'm not really sure what I'm doing yet, but you'll see the end result, and I promise you're going to like it. So stay tuned for next week. Come here, join me live next Sunday. Monday, I'll have a new food video every Monday, and during the week, I've got some upcoming videos that I think you're really gonna like, especially a lot of you mamas out there or grandmothers out there. I've interviewed two ladies that I think y'all are really gonna like. So, get my notifications up at the top, and thanks for being here. It's great, great, great to see you.